So amazing week because NVIDIA and Nexla announced the news where they did a partnership. And let me show you the slide really quick. Here's the news came out where NVIDIA, as part of their new chip, they're going to start using Nexla for ingestion and advanced RAG. Now, I won't go into too many details. Feel free to reach out to me if you think that this is useful, because in last 48 hours, I received 4 different calls from 4 different enterprises. They said, we have built something our own as part of the GenAI and RAG framework based on some open source stuff. It doesn't really work because we put together some pieces, we built a RAG, and we are exposing a UI on top of that RAG. And our business users are not really happy with it because it just doesn't add any value. And also it does not have governance, security, and other enterprise features. So we looked at Nexla and NVIDIA news, and we are very excited to see the platform. So this is something I did for them in less than 2 minutes. I said, listen, your first challenge is data ingestion, data integration with all the different data sources. So out of the box, Nexla as an enterprise data integration platform has integration with 500 different data sources. So you can see the whole connector library here. CRM systems, e-commerce system, file systems. And if you see a connector here, which is not there, you can always let Nexla know on the fly, or in less than a day, we can create a new connector for you. So the point here is that you use Nexla to start ingesting your data and start preparing your data for your GenAI use cases. And now the second screen, I want to show you the generative AI application that we have built on top of the RAG framework, which is running behind the scene. So I initialize the next set. We have a concept of the data product. We call it next sets. So this is the FTX, the crypto exchange, legal filing data. And in this case, I'm going to start asking some questions to this prompt. And I'm going to say, okay, use Anthropic, let's use Databricks. We also have integration with various other LLMs, which are not listed here. So if you see something which you're using and it's not there, we are happy to integrate within our UI. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to say, what is the next filing date? So I will just start asking some simple questions. Now on the screen, this application is giving me the data, retrieving from different LLMs. And as a user, I can see the quality of this prompt, quality of this application, and the model which I like. I can just choose that model based on the quality, based on the cost, and many other factors. Now, the point here is that we are giving you full flexibility where you can choose the different LLMs based on your use case. So behind the scene, this is the architecture look like. This is the RAG framework architecture, and happy to walk you through in detail. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Something very important I want to highlight before I conclude this video. These are the production challenges from experimenting to going into enterprise readiness, and governance and data security is very important. As you guys know, I love data governance, and staying future-proof is also very important, in addition to how to keep improving your base model with the help of Nexla. Now, this is my email address. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you, folks.